For all of you looking for single family homes without any HOAs, this property is called Monique, and it may be the one for you. Located at 3732 Southwest 16th Street in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, this home offers 4 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, 2-car garage, pool, and an oversized lot of almost 11,000 square feet, which is where, as you can see, you can park 8 to 10 vehicles in the front, and you have enough space to park a yacht, a boat, jet skis, or even an RV on the side of your property. This home was completely renovated. I'm gonna show you every little detail and every little corner of this property so you can see what an amazing opportunity this could be for you to get yourself a home without any HOA. Follow me. Everything was done to this property. Not a single dollar was spared here. Roof, electrical panel, impact windows and doors, floors, paint, baseboards, kitchen, everything. One of my favorite features as soon as you walk into the property is the openness and open concept that you have from the living room to the dining room over to your kitchen. And if you follow me, you can see that the kitchen is actually very large. You have quartz countertops, you have a beautiful island with the waterfall finish here on the side with extra storage as well here at the bottom. And this island is amazing for entertainment. And they left enough space for you to have a nice hallway if you have a lot of people in the kitchen at the same time, so that way anyone is not bumping into each other. Another cool feature is that you have 42-inch high cabinets, stainless steel sink, and appliances throughout. An amazing kitchen, which also opens up to your family room. And a cool feature of the family room is that you could be here sitting, hanging out with your family and friends and still look at the kids while they enjoy the pool, which by the way, was completely resurfaced, as well as the concrete slab in the back. Let's go check it out because it's a beautiful Miami day and you could be enjoying this space with your family in a hot, sunny Miami day. Beautiful pool with a massive lot. And if you can follow me as well, you're gonna be able to see that you have even more space for your RV, boats, yachts. If you like pickleball, you could even do a whole pickleball court here. It's enough space for you to do whatever you guys want. What I like about this space, you can easily fit a 10 to 12 person table with chairs to eat in your barbecue. And a cool feature that they added is the shower for you to rinse off after you're done with the pool. And if that lot space wasn't enough, you have even more space on the right side for you to park motorcycles, jet skis, bicycles, whatever you want. Super nice space. Honestly, the lot is a very key point of this property. Let's go check out the inside so you can see the rest of the house. So once you're inside, you're gonna be able to see the 4th bedroom, which leads off the garage. This 4th bedroom has its own closet, its own window. Everything was redone, floors, doors, baseboards, paint, drywall. And in the garage, you have pretty much everything as well, brand new. Lights and epoxy floors. Doors, the engine, the floors, the lights, everything here was done brand new. You have the other 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms on the other side of the home as soon as you walk in. Let's go check it out. Something that I really like about this property is that you have this little nice area right here, which is a little den for you to work in. And you have your own large oversized washer and dryer and laundry room here as well. You go through to the 2nd bathroom, which can lead you to the other 3 bedrooms. This will be bedroom number 3, bedroom number 2, but let's check out the master. In the master bedroom, you have 2 extra windows for more natural light, your own closet, and your own private bathroom. Check it out. This is my favorite part of the bathroom. This shower is huge with a nice shower head. And for you ladies and guys out there, you don't have to fight because you have 2 sinks. If you or anyone you know is looking to get a single family home without any HOAs, 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 2-car garage, massive lot where you can park your RV and as many cars as you want, this property could be the one for you. For just $699,000, this property could be yours. And my favorite spot of the home is in this seat because you can enjoy the view to your front lawn and see all your guests coming in to your housewarming party from your massive 3-panel impact window. My name is Bryan Roach, your real estate agent here in Miami, Florida. If you want a private tour of this property, all you gotta do is send me a message at 305-439-6211 to schedule your private tour. I'll see you guys next time.